I'm so excited about this book. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Kadi. I want to share with you. I am super excited because I don't know what is inside and I can't wait to check it out. Okay, so let's check it out together. Now we're going to look at the book. I am so excited, guys.
Welcome to my channel. This is a Korean channel. It's a new channel. So guys, my channel is named Nigerian Korean Lover. It's a channel born out of the interest of the Korean culture art. Okay, I'm also interested in collaborating. You know, if you love Korean culture or if you want me to like review Korean products, you can email me and you can send me a DM. So I hope that you subscribe to my channel. I hope that you join me in this ride as I make videos.
So guys, let's look at what is in this box together. It's Hotter's book merch and book. Okay, so let's look at it together.
One of the ways I experienced the HEUNG of Korea is through Korean literature and Korean literature. So in experiencing the HEUNG of Korea, I'm going to unbox this Korean inspired literature. I'm going to review it and I'm going to talk about it. Okay,
so I'm going to start with the little things inside. So first of all, we have a bookmark, guys. This is so beautiful. So the name of the author is Fatima Alabi, and the title of the book is The Strings Between Love and Race, guys. And this bookmark is so beautiful. It has happy reading butterfly. I love the color. It's purple. BTS is purple. I'm super excited, guys. Okay, so the next thing here is a letter. Wow, this is so nice. So I'm going to open the letter for you guys to see. Okay, and then we have a shirt, guys. Oh my god, this is so cute. A fan shirt. Wow, so it's like a merch. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Wow. Oh, I love it, guys. It says fan girl. Okay, so I'm going to put this on. We have our book, guys, to Nigerian Korean Lover. Okay, so let's unbox it together. Ooh. So I'm going to go ahead to open this so that you can see, and I'm going to read the letter to you. But before that, let me go and change to this shirt. So guys, I have put on this shirt and it's lovely. Okay, so let's go ahead to read what is in the letter. Okay, it says, especially for you, dear Nigerian Korean lover, thank you for entering my giveaway and I am so glad you are one of the winners. Thank you so much, Fatima. Now we're going to look at the book. I'm so excited, guys. Ta-da! So the book is titled The String Between Love and Race by Fatima Alabi. It says the string between love and race. Fangirling was how Mina, a black British Nigerian girl, escaped being tortured by a past mistake which tore her family apart, and vowing to live like a boss to pay for her sin. but her plan fail when she gets entangled with a popular boy in school, a British South Korean named Jun. Through hardship and their undefined love, they get separated. 10 years later, Mina moves to South Korea to work as an intern through a foreign exchange program at the label of her favorite K-pop group NO, where she reunites with Jun in an unexpected twist of fate. Oh my god! I'm so excited about this book. For like I say, black British Nigerian girl, I'm a Nigerian girl, and we all know that Nigerians fangirl about Koreans and K-pop. So I'm super excited and I can't wait to read this, guys. Thank you so much, Fatima. I will definitely fall in love with this book. And the fact that it's purple, BTS is purple, guys. I'm so excited.
Thank you guys for watching this video. This is the kinfluencer video for the month of June, and I'm just sharing the hung of Korea through Korean related literature. Do remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button.